Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Shelly Cashman Excel 2016 Module 6 SAM Project 1B. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. File preparation. Open the given Excel file and save it with a new name by replacing 1 with 2. Verify your name in cell B6 of the documentation sheet. Step 2. Creating and formatting a table. In the 2018 Tours worksheet, format the range A1, H12 as a table using the medium 24 style and name it ScheduledTours. Step 3. Adding a new record. In the Air Info worksheet, add a new row to the Air_info table with details from Table 1. Step 4. Sorting and filtering. Sort the Air_info table by the price field from smallest to largest. Use an advanced filter to copy records where Air included is yes to a new range starting from A18. Step 5. Formatting and removing duplicates. In the 7-day Tours worksheet, apply wrap text to E1, G1. Remove duplicate records in the 7_days table and filter for tours with 7 days. Step 6. Inserting subtotals. In the subtotals worksheet, convert the table to a range and insert subtotals at each change in tour, summing seats reserved and seats available. Step 7. COUNTIF and SUMIF functions. In the Tour Info worksheet, use the COUNTIF function in C2, C4 to count tours for specific locations. Use the SUMIF function in D2, D4 to total deposits for each tour. Step 8. Conditional formatting and sorting. Apply a traffic light icon set in D8, D29 to visualize seats reserved. Perform a custom sort on tour, A to Z, and depart date, oldest to newest. Step 9. Adding a calculated column. Add a seats available column using a structured reference formula in H8 and copy formatting from seat capacity. Step 10. VLOOKUP and database functions. In the lookup worksheet, use VLOOKUP to retrieve the tour name and departure date based on the tour code. Used count in H8 to count tours priced under $2,000 and average in H13 for the average price of amazing Amazon tours. Step 11. Final touches. Add a total row in the Tour_info table and some relevant columns. Save, close the file, and submit as instructed. If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268 or log into our website hhelpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.